Hello, my name is Smitty and I'm a TSA for the BMC BladeLogic Network Automation software. This video is to help with reconciling modified adapters after performing an upgrade of the BNA application. The reason why we need to perform a reconciliation is due to the fact that during an upgrade of the application, any modified adapters are retained as is, so that way no functionality is lost. To see if an adapter that has been modified and needs to be reconciled, go to the Admin tab, Device Adapters, Device Types, and expand the vendors and find your modified adapters. Click on the Export button, and if the previous baseline content, as is in this case, grayed out, reconciliation is not required since there have been no changes between the previous baseline and the current one. If, however, you go down to a modified adapter where you click on the export button and you do see that the previous baseline content is available for export, then there has been a change and reconciliation is required. To perform the reconciliation, click on All Contents. A zip file will be downloaded with the three adapters, the baseline, which is the new baseline adapter, the modified, which is your modified adapter from before the upgrade, and the previous baseline of the application before you perform the upgrade. We can see that when we open these in a text editor of your choice and we perform a comparison between the modified adapter and the previous baseline, we can see the changes that were made to your adapter. In this case, the changes that were made was simply a removal of a supported trail. So this supported trail was removed from the previous baseline, and that is what constitutes as the new modified adapter. However, if we were to have performed this comparison instead of the previous baseline, but to the current baseline, then what happens is you're going to see not only the changes that were made by you as part of your customization, but all the changes that were made by BMC as part of the upgrade. So as you can see, with all these changes, it will be extremely difficult to try to figure out what changes need to be made, what customization needs to be carried forward into the baseline adapter. It is much simpler, again, to ensure that you're looking at the modified adapter and the previous baseline. Do your comparison, and you will see simply just those changes that were made. To carry this forward, what I'm going to do is take the baseline adapter. I'm going to look for that supported trail that was removed, and I will remove that supported trail. I can then save this, and I'm going to want to save this with a new name so that way it makes it easier for me to find. And I will save this as reconciled. And so now I have a new modified adapter that is based on the new baseline, and so all that new features and functionalities will be available to me. I can now import that adapter into the BNA application by clicking on the Import button of the Device Adapters page, click Choose File, go to that folder, select the reconciled adapter, click Open and then Import. And then once the import is complete, any new jobs that I perform, such as snapshots, etc., will have that new adapter, will have all that new code, and everything will be available to me. I hope this helps you in the future with reconciling your adapters. Thank you very much and have a nice day.